Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In this video, we look at how to register custom model in our Django admin dashboard. The Django admin dashboard provides a useful interface that you can use to perform CRUD operation on your Django models. That is, you can create, you can read, you can update and delete records. For you to be able to do that, you must first register your model so that you can act on it on the Django admin dashboard. So in this video, we look on how to do that. In the main app in our project, I have created a new model in models.py known as blog, which will be used to create blog in our project. It has several fields: title, body, date created, last modified, and is draft. Date created will be populated by Django whenever we first create a blog instance because of the auto now add. So the first time we add a blog, this date created will be populated with the timestamp of that time. And last modified, this one will be updated whenever we update a blog instance because we are using auto now. So we won't have to manually populate these fields ourselves. So I have created this model. I've also generated the migration and I've persisted them in the underlying database, in the underlying SQLite database that we're using. To register a model in the Django admin dashboard, we do that in the admin.py file of that corresponding model. In this case, we will register our blog model in the admin.py file in our main app. So if you go to the admin.py file, we'll first have to import the blog model. So that will be from main.models, import blog. The admin object that has been imported is what we'll use to register our blog model. So we'll say admin.site, and the site has a register method which takes the name of the model that you want to register. In this case, you want to register the blog model. So if you say admin.site.register and we pass the name of the model, that model will be registered and it will be accessible from the Django admin dashboard. But before you do this, make sure that you have created the model in the underlying database. That is, you have created the migrations and you have persisted them. So if we now go to the browser and access the admin site, we will find that we have a new section, main, and under it we have blogs. So Django has these sections which are grouped by the app. So now we have another section of the main app, and under it we will have the models. So an app will have a section in the admin dashboard only if it has at least one model registered. In this case, we have one model registered from the main app. That is why we have a section of main in the admin dashboard. So we can now use the admin dashboard to create instances of our blog in the database. So we can do an add. Let's add a new one. Let's say first blog. Let's have just a small string, the body. So this one is still a draft, it's not yet completed. And let's save to create that one. So if you create a new model instance in the admin dashboard, it will take you to a new page known as the change list, where it has a list of the objects or instances of that model. But in this case, we find that our blog instance that we have created, it has a funny name. It is blog object. We can change this to something useful. So what Django uses is the string representation of that class, the string method. So we can use that one to have a useful name displayed for the blog instances that we create. So if you go to models.py file, we can add string. The double underscore are pronounced as danda, so that is danda str self. So in this case, let's just return the title with self.title. So for every instance of a blog, the string method will return the title of that instance. So if we save that one, and if we go to the dashboard again and refresh, we find that we are now displaying the title of the blog, which is more useful. So that is how we register models in the admin dashboard. We'll pick up from this in the next video. Thanks for watching.